Hello, welcome back to Max English. My name is Emma, and I am so happy to see you again.
And hello, everyone. My name is Max. I am ready for lesson 2. Hello, Teacher Emma.
Hello, Max. You look very energetic today. How are you?
I am doing great, Emma. I practiced my English all day yesterday.
That is wonderful. Practice is the secret to learning. Today, we are going to talk about daily routine. Max, do you know what a routine is?
Is it what I do every day?
Exactly. Things you do from the moment you wake up until you go to sleep. Let's start with the morning. Max, what is the first thing you do?
I wake up.
Good. I wake up. Say it again.
I wake up.
And what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Now you try. Say, I wake up at, and say your time. Pause 3 seconds. Very good. After you wake up, Max, what do you do next?
I stay in bed for 5 minutes. Then I get up.
Ah, good distinction. Waking up is opening your eyes. Getting up is leaving the bed. Then what?
I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Perfect. I brush my teeth. Max, are your teeth white?
Yes, they are. Haha.
Good. After that, many people take a shower. Do you take a shower in the morning or at night?
I take a shower in the morning. It helps me wake up.
Me too. Then it's time for breakfast. What do you eat?
I eat eggs and bread, and I drink orange juice. I love orange juice.
That is a healthy breakfast. I usually drink coffee. I cannot start my day without coffee.
Haha, Emma, coffee is very popular. My father also loves coffee.
Now, Max, after breakfast, do you go to work or go to school?
I go to school. I am a student, remember?
Of course. You are my best student. How do you go to school? Do you walk?
No, it is far. I take the bus.
I take the bus. Very good. For the listeners, if you drive a car, you say, I drive to work. If you go by train, you say, I take the train.
Emma, what time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m. I teach English classes.
Do you have lunch at work?
Yes, I have lunch at 1 p.m. I usually eat a sandwich or a salad. What about you?
I have lunch at the school cafeteria. I eat rice and chicken.
After school or work, we come back home. Max, what time do you come home?
I come home at 4 p.m. I am usually very tired.
I understand. Do you relax when you get home?
Yes, I sit on the sofa and I watch TV. Sometimes I listen to music.
That is good, but do you do your homework?
Yes, Emma, I do my homework at 6 p.m. I want to be a good student.
I am proud of you. At 8 p.m., most people have dinner. Do you cook dinner?
No, my mother cooks dinner. She is a great cook. We eat together as a family.
That is lovely. Having dinner with family is very important. Now, the day is ending. What do you do before bed?
I read a book. It helps me sleep.
Reading is a great habit. Then, do you go to bed?
Yes, I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. I turn off the lights and I sleep.
Excellent. Let's repeat the main words together. Wake up, get up, brush teeth, take a shower, eat breakfast, go to work or school, have lunch, come home, have dinner, go to bed.
Emma, now I want to ask you. Tell me about your day.
Okay, Max. My day is busy. I wake up at 6 a.m. I do exercise for 30 minutes.
Wow, 6 a.m.? That is very early.
Yes, I like the morning. Then I take a shower and make a big pot of coffee.
I start teaching at 9. At noon, I take a walk in the park.
Do you work in the evening?
No, I finish work at 5 p.m. In the evening, I cook dinner for my friends. We talk and laugh. At night, I meditate and go to sleep at 11 p.m.
Your day sounds very nice, Emma.
Let's see if our listeners and Max remember. I will describe an activity and you name it. You do this to your teeth with a brush. What is it?
Brush my teeth.
You do this at 1 p.m. with food.
Have lunch.
You do this when you leave your bed.
Get up.
You do this at night in your bed.
Sleep.
Perfect. Max, you are ready for Lesson 3. And to our listeners, thank you for joining us in the magic garden of English.
Thank you, Emma. See you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing.